Villa Belisa Foundation Day Run 2025.
Hello, welcome to my mini vlog. Oh, we were late again. We arrived at 5:30 a.m. and they had already started the Zumba warm-up. So we decided to do our own warm-up, put on our bibs and singlets, and got ready for the fun run. We are fully committed to do this. No turning back now. The fun run has officially begun. Let's go 5 km! Ay, wag lang ba? Pastop lang tayo, pastop. Dito na paghihirap.
Pao, nadaanin kami ni Pao.
Ilang beses?
Tutlo na. I mean, hanggang ano? Hanggang 4.
Last lap.
Last lap. Init na, mas food.
Ting! Sila muna, sila.
Yes, bigyan natin ng short interview. Ano ba yung paghahanda mo dito sa event na to? Bakit mo na-achieve yung ating third placer?
Para sa sapatos.
Yung lang pala eh. Tuloy-tuloy lang. Once again, to our third placer, congratulations, Paul Manlabi, 5 km division or 5 laps. Congratulations po.
I hope you enjoyed this mini vlog. Thank you for watching.